What's up guys? Nandito ngayon ako sa aking, sa amin family ko. You can see this is panibagong video na again because I haven't done anything for a while. Today, so hahati-hatiin ko pa itong mga video ko kaya sana pakinig ako ng ayos. And I hope na you can hear me nga properly. Tinagtag ko kasi yung kanyang kanina, nilagyan ko siya ng what you call that, noise cancelling dahil nga may mga natahol na aso. But now I think you can hear yung mga ibon. Yeah. So at least tonight, yung hapon, just enjoy. Yeah, mag-enjoy lang tayo. That's that. Danangin lang. And okay.
And tonight we're going to swim. Yes, swimming is the best policy. I don't know how to do this properly, but you will see me. Ang lamig.
Sana pakinig nyo ako dahil dun sa video is it is very much, I don't know, try kong ibaba itong mic. This I use this. I know you can hear me best. Joke lang. I will put this down, this stand. Oh, it is not magnetic. Now, I think you can hear me best.
Lamig. And ang daming lamok sa ilalim.
Not ilalim, ang daming lamok dito sa tubig. Let's try if the DJI Osmo 7P can track me. I'm gonna submerge. Malalim ako dahil ang daming lamok. And I feel na it is my responsibility na dahil nga pinili ko itong oras na to para maligo, but there's too much mosquito flying around my head, or some of the part of this video will not be included to my editing dahil nga ako lang din na nag-edit. I don't know how, I'm not too good at editing, but I hope na you would love it. Peace. Oh, he finds me. That's good. As you can see, I gained some weight. I'm kind of proud of it and not proud of it, you know, because I did it my way. And yan, hindi ko masasabing stress eating. I just did it. I just ate it. And I like it. Pagtagal mo sa isang bagay, hindi mo namamalaya nag-improve ka. And I think this moment, dahil nga ilang buwan din akong hindi nag-video, and I don't know kung ma-edit ko pa to, hindi ko sure kung na-maintain ko pa rin yung pag-edit ko. Sana oo. Sana matuto pa. And yun. Hindi ko sure kasi yung ibang part. Wait, paano ko sasabihin? Some of it is just awkward. You know, pag nag-start ka ng isang bagay and I don't know how can I give you the best content, I don't know how to act silly. I am just me, but I want to make you feel at least very much good. That's that. And then matagal nga ako nawala, and hindi na ako nakapag-video because I don't feel na magtatagal. And yes, I know it is normal to feel na sorry, I know it is normal to feel that it is not really, hindi mo makukuha yung isang bagay. But I hope na I am wrong. Can you prove it wrong? hindi ko makukuha isang bagay. Dahil nga gusto ko tong gawin, itong YouTube na to, not only for me, not only for me, but also to share my life. At least man lang yun nga, sabi ko nung unang video ko, ang video ko, is that I want to share at least part of my life, na kapag nagkaapo ako, kita nila, ang lolo nila ay naliligo and is being awkward. Their lolo is awkward. I know, right? Grandson, grandchild, granddaughter, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, lolo-in-law. Yeah, that's just my awkward part. As you can see, I like the lighting. Dahil meron akong, I don't know if you can see this one. Yes. Yeah. So, yun. Bumili din ako ng light just in case na mag-travel nga. And yeah, this is 10 minutes. At least naka 10 minutes na tayo nag-video. Try ko lang laksan tong light. Yan, brightness. Like that. Yeah, lahat ito'y sa ipon ko. And I hope you like it. I hope you like the advancement of this YouTube. And I don't know if you can see the blood hungered insect that is trying to bite me. I don't like them. They cause disease. I hope I don't. Yeah, I am chubby. And I hope na, yun, sana din habang ginagawa ko to, yung pagbablog, ibabalik ko na to, even it is awkward, even na wala akong magawang content masyado, or wala akong maibigay na something, you know, just I'm gonna do this like my diary, story of my life, something like that. Yeah, but I am happy to accomplish yun, yung makagraduate, because I never thought na I will do it. In some cases na syempre napanghinaan ka rin, mahirap yung kurso mo, and also yun, challenges in life. And yes, taga-probinsya ako, and yun, main goal ko dito sa channel na to is just traveling. But yeah, I will do some random things nga din, like filming anything else that comes on my way, and anything like that, because I do some equipment. Wait, I do have some equipment. Yeah. Yo, DJI, kung makikita mo tong video nito, please sponsor me. I like it. I like your product. I like everything about it. I just love it. You know, I just love it. As you can see, it is nighttime. Will my camera follow me? No. No. The camera just stopped filming. Follow me. Yes. Yeah, this pool, itong pool na to, matagal na nga to, as I said earlier, and it is 4 to 5 feet, and I am 5'7". Please, I know it. I am 5'7". 5'7". cringe, yes. I am cringe. I know I'm cringe. But I think you will love it. Kasi nandito ako, ilalagay ko kayo dito sa gitna para makita nyo ang lalim, ang ilalim. Sana mag-stand ng maayos itong aking stand, tripod. Yes. As you can see, there is no light at all. Let's go there. Let's go back and build. Ain't no light again. Ain't no light. Wait. Hindi ko sure kung paano siya. Yes. Yeah. Ilalim tayo. It is nighttime now. We've accomplished the goal of being here like nighttime. Wait. Let's cancel the crafting mode. Yeah. Dalamok. I don't like dalamok. As you can see, it is the the sunset. The sunset. It's very beautiful here in the province of Mindoro. Yes. So, sobra daw dilim, hindi ako makita. Wala ko malakas na ilaw, no. It's the mount. Follow me. You follow me. Yeah. The brightness is too bright. Oh, shit. I hope na you can hear it very well. And yung mic ko is nakadikit sa tripod. Nakadikit siya sa tripod. Ngayon kinakain na siya ng lamok. And yeah, it is very much dangerous. There's something that I don't like, swimming in the dark. Yes. Also, being in the open field of farmland. Yes, farmland. And it is known to have snakes and snakes pati mga pasawa. And it is much dangerous. And I don't like it. Baka kasi mamaya bigla may lumangoy sa aking sawa or ahas, and I don't like it.